There's one thing worse than getting to your tank in the morning and find it's been filling all night. That's getting to it and finding out that you've got no water at all because you've forgotten to turn it on. So in today's video I'm going to show you my new system that I've just built, and I've got a controller unit here that's going to make sure that never happens again. This is my pre-filter. I've only got one pre-filter here. I've used one that includes a carbon block and a sediment filter in the one. This also lasts about 3 times longer than your traditional ones. It lasts for approximately 75,000 litres. So the water comes in through my pre-filter, down here, past this solenoid to this booster pump. From the booster pump, the pressure is pushed right up and it goes to my membrane at the top here. Just below the membrane I've fitted an 80 watt bar heater just to help keep the frost off. From the RO it comes across and it comes down to this little setup here. The tap here is where that you set your waste to pure water, but there's also another solenoid here which comes round. The reason for this solenoid is it will flush your RO for you. So you can set it so every time it starts up, this solenoid opens, so it bypasses your tap, flushing all the water through. It runs for a certain amount of time, and by doing that it helps prolong the life of your RO system. Your water then comes down from this one and goes to your waste. At the top there it comes out the end of the RO and into your DI bottle. So this is your control box. You can see if you lift the flap here, this is where your booster pump's plugged in. So, and then there's a plug that comes from this which you just plug into your mains, which controls the whole system. So what this will do is you have a little float switch which you fit into your tank. As soon as that lifts up, this will stop the water flowing into your system, and it will also turn your booster pump off. That way you're not pushing against a closed valve if you've got a ball cock valve, because the booster pump's turned off. It also turns your flow off, so it's not going through just through mains pressure, and everything stops. It all stops automatically. So I've got this controller from Lee Martin from Blade Right. I'll put links to everything I've got on my system, or where you can get similar ones, in the description below. So I hope this has helped. If it has, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. If you've got any tips or tricks that you might find useful or other people find useful, please leave them in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.